Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll show you how to automate lead generation on Facebook Messenger using the Zebrabuzz platform. This feature is crucial because once you've collected leads, such as name, email addresses, and phone numbers, etc., you can transfer it to your email marketing system for marketing automation. To follow along, you will need an active e-commerce store on Facebook Messenger or Instagram integrated with Zebrabuzz. If you don't have a Zebrabuzz account yet, please watch the video linked in the description for guidance on setting up your account. You can now follow these steps to collect leads. Start by clicking on Bot Manager in your Zebrabuzz dashboard. Scroll down and click on the User Input Flow button. While there's an option to create a user input flow directly, we'll create ours through the Bot Reply setting for more customization. Click on Bot Reply, then click on Create Flow. When the Visual Flow Builder opens, double-click on the Start Bot Flow component. Set your keywords, e.g. user input, and give the flow a title, e.g. collect user data. Click Done to save. Now drag the reply type component into the flow. You can do this by dragging the connector or selecting from the header menu. Choose a text reply type and type your first message, e.g. thanks for your message. Next, drag Compose Next Message and choose User Input Flow. Click on it and choose Add New Input Flow. Name the campaign, e.g. User Input, and click Done. For each question, type the desired question and choose the appropriate reply type. After configuring each question, click Done to save. Let's start. Question 1. What is your name? Reply type text. Question 2. What is your email? Reply type email. You can choose to enable attach email quick reply. Question 3. What is your phone number? Reply type phone question 4 will be a multiple choice question. On this one, I'll say, please choose one option, burger or bread. Reply type text. Remember to click Done to save your settings. Let's now add a fifth and final step to thank the user. This one will be a text type. For this, I'll say, thanks for all your inputs. Set the reply type to text and click Done to save. Once all the questions and responses are set, save the template. Now let's test the flow on Facebook Messenger to see how it works. Go to your Facebook page, open Messenger, and type the keyword you set earlier, e.g. user input. The flow question will start, prompting the user to provide the required data. How do you see the data collected? To view the collected data, return to your Zebrabuzz dashboard. Scroll down and click on User Input Flow Settings. Then go to the List menu. Click the Report I button to see all your leads. You can also access the lead from the Subscriber Manager. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section or visit our website. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.